Mimi nimekuja kama mtoto yake na vile vile kama rafiki yake. Huyu mama alichangia kwa hali na mali katika harakati ya ukombozi wa taifa letu. Mimi naunga mkono pendekezo ya mzee Gitu wa Kahengeri ati serikali ifanye mpango ya kutoa mwili ya bwana Kimathi Kamiti na izike pamoja siku ya Jumamosi, the final funeral ceremony of her, which is now been taken over as a state funeral, to be done at Uhuru Gardens, where the Mau Maus were being tortured. This is a responsibility of a government, and it's an issue which has been basically pushed for a very long time, and it's an issue that can be solved by a government. So I don't want anybody, including the deputy president, to try to politicize this issue, to score political points over a very, very sad affair for the nation.
Just also to get your sentiments, will you be present for the burial on Saturday?
I cannot miss burying MUKAMI because we have been very close. So I will definitely be there. I don't need to be invited. I will be there. Yes.
Thank you very much.